Yeah, my name is Bharat Kheda and I'm currently posted as Joint Secretary in the Cabinet Secretariat. It is really a pleasure to be a part of the AMBBB program this year. In fact, I got interested in this program the moment I learned it will be a great opportunity to interact with peer group coming from diverse professions. And I must say it is a great experience for peer learning. It is a good mix of classroom sessions and case studies for practitioners. Classroom sessions because you get to engage with the theoretical constructs and the new contemporary concepts in the field of public policy, and good amount of peer learning because these case studies give you an opportunity to interact with each other, have different perspectives coming from different professions, and be in a position to build on what you have gained during years of experience in public life. The choice of Indian School of Business again is basically born out of the fact that ISB has made a niche for itself in the last couple of years, and it is thought of as one of the best institutions offering programs on public policy in India. We find this particularly convenient as far as government participants are concerned because it involves absolutely very less dislocation from our regular workplace, and we are in a position to have these kind of residencies built into the overall program structure. We continue handling our respective assignments in our offices, and we have to be out of the office only for 4 times in a year, that too for a short period. So this makes it convenient for us to be able to get this degree without much of dislocation. I look forward to going back and experimenting the concepts I've learned here in my day-to-day work-life situations. Thanks a lot ISB for giving me the opportunity to do this program along with my peer group here. Thank you.